Hello, cousins.
Hey, cousins.
We wanted to talk to you guys today about our new favorite product. I've been using Creole Essence for a couple of years now, but I just introduced this baby girl and she absolutely loves it. So Creole Essence is a Black-owned company. You guys, they're available now in Ulta, and their Moringa wellness seeds and their Moringa line is now available, like I said, in Ulta Beauty. It is delicious, okay? It smells edible. It's not edible, but it smells edible. So first things first, let's get started talking about their hair care line. I love their hair care products. I've just started tapping into their skincare products, but their hair care products, you guys know I've been popping with them for a minute, okay? Use it for Sophie's twists, and she absolutely loves it. First up, we use the curl cream. I washed her hair. I used the detangler and the moisturizing spritz. You guys know, like when you have your twist out for a couple days and you wake up looking like Frederick Douglass, oh, you'd be like, I don't like it. So you gotta, give yourself some and just rejuvenate it, bring it back to life. This moisturizing spritz, it does that, honey. But like I said, we used the curl cream and it just made her hair super smelling good, super moisturized. Absolutely loved it. You guys check it out. Okay. Next up, the detangler. Listen. It is nothing worse than doing some hair and the hair be tangled and the person who hair you doing is just not ready for that. You don't like when your hair tangled, do you?
No.
It hurt?
Yes.
Yeah. So this detangler right here, lifesaver.
Oh, it's color safe.
Yes. Okay, look at you. That means if your hair is red, you can still use it, okay? And it's vegan. Most of their products, if not all of them, are vegan. I love that. I super love that. I love that they're Black owned too. I love supporting Black businesses. They were on Shark Tank a long time ago, and ever since, their products and their business have just been going through the roof. Up next, we have the Edge Gel Control. Now, y'all know we be needing some edge control. I hit my little sides before we started our video, and they popping, honey. You see how they laying down? Absolutely love it. Sophie, let's get you some, because I know you like your edges be on fleek too. So you don't need a lot of product. That's another thing I love about their product. You don't need a lot of product. You just need a little bit, and it goes a long way. Yes, honey. Lay them edges down. Lay them edges down. Sweet. And it smells so good, you guys. So let's get into the skincare stuff. So you guys saw Sophie when we first started using the roller on her skin. And let me tell you, that thing is great. This is also another one that they send out. This is like an ancient Chinese technique that helps with getting the wrinkles gone and all of that stuff. You just kind of, smooth it out like this. Smooth it out. They also sent me this Haitian Moringa Super Glow Powder. If you guys are into supplements and stuff, you know that Moringa is very, very good for boosting your immune system and just giving you all that good nutrients that you need. So you guys can add this to your morning smoothie, to some juice, to some water, whatever. I add mine to my smoothie. These things too. The Moringa seeds, you peel them like pumpkin seeds or sunflower seeds. They give me a texture like a sunflower seeds. I actually really, really like them. They came with a facial cleanser. This stuff is good too. Y'all know my skin be on fleek, honey. Yes. And it also came with a toner, followed by an oil. So you guys, long story short, Creole Essence is popping, okay? What are they, Sophie?
So poppin', my business.
Hey, they're so poppin'. You guys check them out. Creole Essence, they're available at Ulta Beauty, and you also can purchase online. This Moringa line is amazing. And you guys, it protects you. If you guys are getting into the health side, wellness of it, it's great. If you guys just growing your hair out and making your hair more luxurious, it's amazing as well. Y'all see this twist out? Should pop it. You guys, check them out. I love you. Thanks for checking us out. Sophie, go ahead. How we end our videos?
Think about it.
Good day.